Okay, this is the Thule Rapid Traverse Tower, which works in conjunction with the Thule AeroBlade crossbars. The tower has a unit up top which will slide into the bottom of the AeroBlade towers. As you lift up on this cam, and then when the tower is in the bar where you have it, where you want it, just push this down, and that'll keep the towers firm on the bar. On this tower, it also has a hole to put the locks. If you want to put a lock there, you just pop that out, put a lock core in, open that up, and this is where the fit kit would go. The fit kit is basically two parts. It's a rubber pad on the bottom of the tower, and you just put that on there, and we will show you that later. And it's also a clip that goes up into here, and you just tighten it down with the tool. I'll show you. So this tool will just tighten the clip down when the clip is in, and then you shut the door. But those are the basic components of the tower, and we'll show you more when we install the entire thing. It'll make more sense.